Good morning, students. Let's continue with the topic kinds of nouns. In this video, we will learn about collective nouns. So, a collective noun is used to name a group of persons, animals, or things as a unit, or when they are spoken of as a whole. So, when we group certain things together, we can give them a certain name. So that collection of things or people, whenever we name them, that is called collective noun. Let's understand this with the help of few examples. Before moving on to the examples, let us first have a look at the definition of collective nouns. So, a collective noun is the name of a collection of persons, animals, or things taken together and spoken of as a whole. Now let's have a look at some examples. A team of players. When a number of players are playing together, it is known as a team. So, when we refer to a collection of players or a group of players, it is called a team. So here, the word team is a collective noun because it stands for what? It stands for a collection of players. Similarly, an army of soldiers. Here, a group of soldiers is called what? We call it an army. So here, the word army is the collective noun because it refers to what? A group of soldiers. Similarly, when we refer to a group of musicians, we call them a band of musicians. So here the word band is the collective noun because it refers to a group of musicians. We also need to remember that most collective nouns can have their plural form. For example, the plural for army is armies. Similarly, the plural for bunch is bunches. So, collective nouns can have their plural form. Let's move on to page number 17 of your grammar book. In this exercise, you have to underline the collective nouns in these sentences. The first one is, the farmer had a team of oxen to plow the field. So, the collective noun for oxen is team, because here we are referring to a team of oxen. So when we are talking about a group of oxen, we call it a team. So team is what? It is the collective noun here. Second, one of my cousins is a member of the church choir. You know the meaning of choir? It is a group of singers. So here the collective noun is choir. Choir refers to what? A group of singers. In the same manner, do the rest. Find out collective nouns in these sentences carefully. Moving on to the next exercise, that is match the collective nouns. A collection of puppies. What is a collection of puppies called? Think. It is litter. A collection of puppies is called litter. Second, people listening to a lecture. So a group of people who are listening to a lecture, what do we call them? The group is called audience. Match the rest on your own. Moving on to exercise L. Now here you will see some collective nouns which are given in this box. Let me read them out for you. Bouquet, audience, bunch, mob, sweet, committee, and fleet. Using these collective nouns, you have to fill up these blanks. The first one is, we presented a dash of flowers to the chief guest. What will come here? Think. Yes, it is bouquet. Bouquet of flowers. Next is, we booked A dash of rooms in a hotel. A group of rooms. What is the collective noun for a group of rooms? It is suite. I hope you all are following me. Now similarly, using these words, you will fill up the rest of the blanks. That is all for today. We have covered up 2 topics today, that is common and proper nouns and collective nouns.